Yes. So children, tell me chapter 6, that is division. Yes. When the word division comes, what do you understand, children, by the word division? What do you understand by the word division? Yes. Repeated subtraction. Okay, very good. Yes, very good, children. What is subtraction? Oh, sorry. What is division? Yes. Very good. It is repeated subtraction. Okay. We will see how it is repeated subtraction. Page number, I am writing it on the board. Page number 86. Can you see? Page number 86. Okay. Yes. So children, now in number 20. Okay, in the number 20, how many fives do appear? How many fives are there in 20? Can you tell me? 4 fives. 4 fives, very good. See, how many, I will write the question here. How many fives appear in, don't write, listen children. Don't write. I will send the notes of the previous chapter. Then you can start writing next chapter. Okay. So in the number 20, how many fives appear in 20? Okay. What will you do here? To see how many fives are there in 20, what will you do? You will do division. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Yes. So children, tell me, how will you divide 20 by 5? In 5's table, okay, when do you get number 20? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are is 20. Okay, so it is 5. 5 fours are is 20. Yes or no? 5 fours are is 20. Okay, so the quotient here, whatever we get is known as quotient. By what number we divide is known as quotient. What remains at the end is known as remainder. It is, children, it is not reminder, it is remainder. What remains is known as remainder. Okay, what remains at the last is known as remainder. Okay, so here, as you have answered me, it is nothing but repeated subtraction. We will see whether our answer is correct or no. Okay, now tell the children, 20 if you subtract 5 from it. See here, 20 you have, and if you subtract 5, what do you get? 10 minus 5? 5. 1 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so here how many times we subtracted? We have subtracted 1 time. This is our first time subtraction. Okay, now again next. Subtraction. Yes. So again you subtract 15 minus 5. What do you get? 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 1 becomes 9. Okay. So this is our second subtraction. Yes. This is our second time subtraction. Do you agree with this? Okay. Next. Again from this, can you subtract 5 from 10? Yes, ma'am. Yes. 10 minus 5 is 5. Subtract 10 minus 5. Yes. 0 minus 5 is 5. Okay. Yes. 0 will be minus 5, we have got 10. This is our second time subtraction. Third time is 10 minus 5. That is our third time. We have got the answer as 5. Okay. Can you again subtract 5 from 5? 5 minus 5 0 ma'am. Yes. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 will come back. Okay. So and the quotient is 4. Yes. So how many times we have subtracted 5 from 20? 4 times. Yes. So the answer is 4 times. 4 times. Okay. So after subtracting, we have seen that yes, we can subtract 4 times 5 out of 20. See here, 20 from 20 we can subtract 4 times 5. Children, please mute. Yes, we call it repeated subtraction because from the number 20, 5 can be subtracted 4 times. So, our answer is correct. The quotient 4 is correct. Okay, and last we have got 0 as a remainder. Can you see here? After repeated subtraction, okay, we have got the remainder as 0, and once we have again seen it through division method, 5 4s that is 20, remainder is 0. Any doubt in this part? Okay. Okay. Now, division you have also studied in your previous class. Yes or no? Okay. Now, can you also define division as equal sharing of numbers? Yes. Division, can you also tell it as equal sharing? Equal sharing. Now, if we have 10 chocolates, okay, if we have 10 chocolates and we need to distribute it among 5 children. Okay, we have how many chocolates? We have 10 chocolates. Okay, and how many children are there in the class? There are only 5. Yes, yes, there are only 5 children. Okay, yes. How will you distribute equally among 5 children? How? Yes, 5 children. There are 10 chocolates and you have how many children? 5 children. Okay? If you want to distribute it equally, if you want to share it, how will you do it? Division. Yes, it is division. Okay? What number will you take first? 10 divided by 5. Yes or no? This symbol stands for division. Equal sharing. Okay? It is nothing but equal sharing. Division is nothing but equal sharing. We have 5 children and we have to distribute how many chocolates? 10 chocolates. 5. How many times can you subtract in number 10? See here, you have 10 and if you want to subtract 5 from it, how many times repeated subtraction takes place? Ma'am, 10 minus 5 is 5. Yes, see here, 10 minus 5 is 5. Because 0 we cannot subtract 5. So we have borrowed it from neighboring 1 which is 10. 1 10 you have and you have here it is 0. 0 will now become as 10 ones. 10 ones and 5 ones if you subtract you will be left with 5 ones. Can you again subtract 5 from 5? Can you subtract 5 from 5? Ma'am, the answer will be 0. Here it was our first time subtraction. subtraction. Next, this is our second time subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. So what will be the answer here? 2. Yes. Why it is 2? Because we have done repeated subtraction 2 times. Okay. So answer in 5's table. Okay. It is 5 into 2 equal to 10. Yes or no? In 5's table, we get it as 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So, children, here the number 10 is also known as, what is the number 10 known as? Dividend. What is a number dividend? What is the term dividend? Defined as dividend means the number that has to be divided. Okay, here we have 10 chocolates. Yes or no? We are going to divide 10 chocolates among the 5 children. Yes, so the number 10 will be known as dividend. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the number to be divided? That number which has to be divided is known as dividend. Okay? By what number you are dividing? You are dividing it among 5 children. So what will be 5 known as? Yes. It will be known as divisor. Okay, did you understand? There are 10 chocolates. 10 chocolates have to be divided. The number that has to be divided will be known as dividend. There are 5 children. It has to be divided among 5 children. 5 will be known as divisor. Okay, the answer what you get will be known as quotient. Yes. See your spelling. Quotient. Quotient. Okay. What is the number 2 known as? It is quotient. Any doubt in this part? Yes. Whatever answer you get for a division will be known as quotient. Okay. While doing the division, the last what remains will be known as remainder. Okay. Can you tell me what will be the remainder in this problem?
0.
0. Very good. What is the remainder? Nothing remains. We have 10 chocolates and 5 children are being equally distributed. Does any chocolate remain with you?
No.
No.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the answer, the remainder is 0. Okay. Here, what will be the remainder? Remainder is 0. See your spelling has to be correct, children. Remainder. Remainder, not reminder. Okay. Remainder and reminder are completely different. Okay. So the table which is given as dividend, divisor, quotient, and we are supposed to write the division fact. Okay. The third one, division is 56, divisor is 8, quotient is 7. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of division fact? Here, division fact tells us that we are supposed to write the question. Okay, now as they had given as CA 20 chocolates and divided among 5 children. Okay, 20 chocolates and divided by among 5 children. What answer you get here is 5 fours are 20. The answer you will write it at the end, which is our quotient. Tell me children, what is 20 here? What is 20?
Dividend.
Yes, very good. Why it is dividend? Why it is dividend? Because there are 20 chocolates.
To be
Yes.
divided.
Yes.
Called dividend.
Very good. The number that has to be divided is known as dividend. Okay? I'm repeatedly again telling it. The number that has to be divided is called dividend. The number by which we are going to divide is known as
Divisor.
yes, divisor. After dividing the number, what answer you get will be known as, what is the number 4 known as?
Quotient.
Yes, it is our quotient. Okay, yes. So tell me children, here we have dividend as 80, divisor is 10, quotient is 8. How will you write the division fact? This is our division fact. Okay, we know what is dividend, what is divisor, and what is quotient. Can you tell me what will be the division fact for these terms?
80 divided by 10.
Yes, very good. Write this 80 divided by 10. First, we have to always write dividend. Okay? Always we have to first write dividend. Put a division sign. Okay? Next will be our divisor. Divisor is 10. Okay? What will you write after the equal sign? What is the yes? Quotient is 8. Okay? Yes. So this is our division fact. Okay? This is our division fact. Children, just see, please cross check. 80 divided by 10. Then how much are 80? 10 in 10's table. When do you get 80?
80.
Yes, 10 8. Yes, 10 8 is 80. So the given terms are correct. Okay, dividend is 80, divisor is 10. The answer will be 8. Okay, yes. Second one, can you tell me?
23 divided by 12 is equal to
Yeah,
7.
correct. First we have to write dividend. Okay. After dividend, what will you write? Divisor. Yes, put a division sign and write divisor. That is 7. What answer you get? That is 9. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So the next one, children, dividend is given as 56. Divisor is 8. What will you write as a division fact?
Divided by 8.
Huh.
Quotient
Yes. 56 divided. Put a division sign and write divisor 8 is equal to, answer is quotient. Answer has to be written after the equal to sign. Okay? 46 is dividend, 8 is divisor. Sorry, 6 is divisor. 6 is given as divisor. 8 is our quotient. Sorry, 48. Sorry, 48. Dividend 6 is our divisor. Quotient is 8. Yes, tell the children.
Not 48 divided by 8 is equal to 8.
So what will be the first? Dividend, division sign, put the divisor, then we have to write the answer. Answer is known as quotient. 8. Yes. Okay. I hope there is no any confusion in this part. Okay. So the remaining 24 dividend, divisor is 3, quotient is 8. What will you write the division fact? What will you write the division fact for the next numbers? 24 is equal to, yes, equal to 8. Very good. Very good. The last one, 20 is dividend, 2 is divisor. quotient. What will be the division fact? Yes. Yes. The last one will be 20. Very good. Yes. Very good, children. Okay. Next, they have given here directly. This was our first question where they have given it in a table form, dividend, divisor, quotient, and we are supposed to write the division file. This was very easy. What if they give you repeated subtraction? How to understand which is dividend and which is divisor and what is our quotient? Okay, so the next question is write the division fact in the box given below for each of the following. Yes. So the next one. Yes. Second question, children. Write the division fact in the box given below. The first one is first one they have given 32 minus 8. Yes. What will be the answer?
24.
Yes. It is 24. 24 again they have subtracted 8. What will be the answer? Yes, 60. Very good. Next, again subtract 8 from this. It will be 16 minus 8 is 8. Again subtract 8 from this. It will be 0. Okay. Yes. Very good. Yes. Okay. Now tell me what will be the dividend, divisor, and quotient? Can you guess children?
Dividend.
Yes.
8 is the divisor
Huh?
and 4 is the quotient.
Yes. Very good. Okay. So here we have 32. See here, the number from which it has to be subtracted, the very greater number in this complete is 32. Yes or no? From starting we are subtracting it by 32. So 32 will be our dividend. Dividend. Because we are going to subtract from 32. The greater number is 32. So 32 has to be distributed. Yes, 32 is going under repeated subtraction. Yes or no? But by what number it is undergoing subtraction? Which is the number which is repeatedly getting subtracted? Which number is repeatedly being subtracted? 8.
Yes.
See here, we have subtracted 8 first time. Yes, again we have subtracted 8 which is our second time. Yes, again subtract 8, it is our third time. Yes or no? Next, again fourth time subtraction. Yes children, so what will be the quotient?
4.
Yes,
4.
4.
4.
Others did not understand. What about others? Yes. You understood? Okay. So listen here children. We have totally 32. Okay. 32 it has to be divided by 8. Okay. 8 how much are 32? 8 fours are is 32. Yes or no? So see here. Yes, in 8 table, when do you get 32? In the beginning of 8, yes, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are is 32. Yes, what will be the remainder? 0, 0. Yes, so the number 32 it is being equally distributed. How much? 4 times. Okay, the number it has to, yes, if you take 8, then 4 times it will be easily distributed. Okay, it is like you have 32 chocolates and 8 children are there, then you will give for each one of them 4 chocolates. Then nothing will remain with you. The remainder will be 0. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Monica, can you write? Yes. Children, please wait. Please wait. Here, the bigger number will be our dividend. Okay. But now, how many times we are subtracting? That will be our quotient. Okay. Which number we are subtracting continuously will be our divisor. Okay. Here, the number 6 is undergoing subtraction. How many times? 7 times. Okay. Which number is undergoing repeated subtraction? It is number 6. 6 is our divisor. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope the board is visible. Okay. So here the number 6 is the divisor. Here number 6 is undergoing repeated subtraction, which comes under divisor. How many times it is undergoing subtraction will be our quotient. Don't get confused. Bigger number from first where we subtract is our dividend. Which number is being getting subtracted? It is number 6. 6 will be our divisor. Okay. How many times it is undergoing repeated subtraction? It is our quotient. Okay. Yes. So what will be the division fact? Down you will have to write it in the box. Here you will have to write it in the box as 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. First one, did you write? First one. See here, the first one was 32 minus 8, 24 minus 8, 16 minus 8, 8 minus 8, 0. So what will be the dividend over there? 32 is our dividend. First one. Put a division sign and write 8 is equal to 4. 4 is our quotient. Okay, down they have given the blue color box. You will have to write it there. Okay, the first one. Yes. Can you tell me the third one? Third one. We have 48 minus 8. 40. Huh.
46.
Yes.
Ma'am, 48 minus 8 is 40. 40 minus
48. 48.
Ma'am, 48 is dividend.
Yes, 48 is our dividend. Put a division sign.
8 is our
Yes.
divisor.
Divisor is the number that has been subtracted. So 8. Okay? Yes. How many times? It is 6. 6 times they have been subtracted 8 from 48. Okay? So if you have 48 pencils and 8 friends are there with you, then for each one you will be giving how many pencils? 6 pencils. Then only the remainder will be 0. Then only you have distributed equally to all your friends. Okay? So number of pencils here are 48. You have totally how many friends? 8 friends. Okay? To each one, how many pencils will be received? 6 pencils will be received. Okay? Yes. The last, that is the third one. Solve the following by repeated subtraction in your exercise book. Okay? So here I will show you one. 32 divided by 4. Here they have done repeated subtraction. The second question, it is called as repeated subtraction. Yes, in the same way, you will have to write for the third question 32 divided by 4. So, you will take the number
Ma'am, the
32.
first one.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, the first third page first one answer is 8.
which one?
Ma'am, first one.
First question. Huh.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. 32 divided by
that
4.
first one.
32 divided by 4 you are taking, Arnuraj.
8 room.
Yes. Okay. Now they have asked you solve the following by repeated subtraction. See here, how will you do it? The question is 32 divided by 4.
Ma'am, 31 dividend 4 is denominator and 8 is quotient.
Quotient. Yes, very good. But see here, you will have to do it by repeated subtraction. Okay? You have to do it repeated subtraction. I will erase this part.
Ma'am, you want to write this in classroom book?
Yes. In your any of your maths notebook, okay, see here we have 32, okay, and divisor is 4. So number 4 will be undergoing repeated subtraction. We need to check how many times it can be subtracted. Okay, see here 32 minus 4, what is the answer? We can't subtract 2 from, we cannot subtract 4 from 2. So we will ask to borrow from 3 and here it will be 12. 12 minus 4, 8. Okay, 2 will come down. Yes?
4 times you are subtracting it.
Yes. Again if you subtract 4, 8 minus 4, 4. 2 will come down. Yes. Again subtract 4 from 8. What remains? 0 and here 2. Okay. Again subtract 4 until you get the remainder 0. You have to keep on doing the repeated subtraction. Okay. Yes. So here now it will be 10 ones. 2 tens will now become as 1 10. 10 minus 4,
6.
6. 1 will come down as it is. Okay. Again subtract 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 1 will be as it is down. Again subtract 4. What will be the answer? Yes. What is the answer?
8.
8. Okay. Subtract 4 from 8. 4 remains. Okay. Again subtract 4 from 8. It is 0. Okay. I hope down you cannot see it. Now, yes. I hope now it is visible. Yes. So children, let us count how many times we have subtracted number 4. Okay. So see here.
Ma'am, 8 times.
Yes.
8 times.
8 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last is our 8th time. Okay, so here the number of times that we have subtracted will be our quotient. Okay, so here 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. The number of times that we have subtracted is quotient, that is number 8. 8 times we have subtracted 4 from the number 32. Is it clear? This is called the repeated subtraction. What it is called? Repeated subtraction. The third question, solve the following by repeated subtraction in your exercise book. Okay, the first one I have done it for you. 32 minus 4, 28. 28 minus 4, 24. 24 again subtract 4, 20. 20 minus 4, 16. 16 minus 4, 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4, 4. Again we can subtract 4 until we get the remainder as 0. Okay. Then count how many times you have done the repeated subtraction. The number what you see will be our quotient. Okay. So this is dividend. What is the number 4?
And divisor.
Yes, it is divisor. 8 number of times we are subtracting we are quotient.
Quotient.
Yes. Okay. So solve till yes. Can you solve it till yes? Example 40 divided by 10. Try. If you don't get, we will see it again tomorrow in your rough book. Okay, 40 divided by 10. Till F example, you have to try. Whichever you don't get, we will solve it tomorrow. Okay?
Ma'am,